Hey everyone, I am Anikesh and today I will show you one of my another project which is called MeetPing. So let me just give you like what the problem was I was facing. Like the problem I was facing was like I had to attend like meeting regularly, like one or two meeting regularly, and some of them were like not productive. It was just for the sake of the host. I had to attend it like so that my present would be marked something like that. Like I am available, not like I'm skipping anything, and the meeting was not productive most of the time, so like that time was being wasted. I could not utilize it, and so I thought, why not just make it something like which would like attend my meeting, and whenever my name is called it will also inform me. But if let's say a host asks you something like when your name is being called and you don't know, like you did not actually attend the meeting, you were just doing something else. So what you can do is like you can just ask question, like when you click on this button you can just ask question any of the question and it will answer you. The LLM has the context of that meeting, and when you start meeting it will start the overlay will appear here, mic type, and it will keep on listening. And I you may ask like how will it identify that your name is being called. So I have made a setting like where you can just add your name, and whenever that name is being called it will just give you a notification to a type, so that you will be like you know aware your name is being called, and when you need a question you can just ask it, and it will also give you a MOM, like when the meeting is been finished you can just when you will click stop meeting, history will be there in history tab where you will get MOM of the meeting. Or if you want to ask something about that meeting, you will also have access to chatbot. You can just ask something like about that meeting. So let me just give you the tech stack. For the app development I've used Android SDK, Android 12, and API level 31. And for the speech recognition, I have used Vosk, which is like free open source, something like that. And for now, it is currently being supported Hindi and English. I can just add it more, like it's not something rocket science. And for the API calls, I've used HTTP, OK HTTP, and for the JSON serialization, I've used JSON. And for the database, I've used Room, and for the UI framework, we all know that Jetpack Compose is like good one. And for the foreground services, like I've used Notification Compact. So let me just give you a quick tour about how does this app work, so you will get a better idea. So this is the app which I was talking about. When you click open, it will open, and this is the interface. The UI is not something fancy. I have not uh, like did I did not give much time for the UI. I just made it for the personal use. And as you can see, you have English, Hindi. You can just name anything you want. You can just name it and anything you want. You can select it. If you want any API key, I can just add more. It is not rocket science. So again, same. And when you click on save setting, you will get toast that your setting has been saved. So let me just give you how it works, and I will open a transcript which I will just read it, and I will show you how it works. So when you click on start button, the meeting has been started. As you can see, the and it is being listening. It is listening me. The transcript will appear here, and as you can see, like it is listening me. And let me just read out a quick, which I generated this from ChatGPT. So I will show you now. Hi, I am Amit and I will be keeping this short. Today I am talking about MVP meeting summary, offline speech recognition, which is working fine without internet. The app is recording everything continuously. We are generating summaries in small chunks. This helps manage long settings efficiently. What do you think, Maxwell? As you can see, my name was being called and I got a toast notification that your name is being called. And as you can see, Maxwell just was just mentioned, and so that you will be notified about it. So yeah, that's how it works. And it also has English support. And let me just read out more. I believe this approach is good for the MVP. We should finalize this setup, and that's all from my side. And let's say your name was being called and you want to ask like something. Let's just say you want to ask something. So you will, and when you click on ask, it will just process and it will give you, yeah, as you can see, it gave me the answer and all the like transcript is here. So yeah, that's it. And when you click on stop meeting, it will pop-up will appear that your meeting has been concluded, and you can just go to the view details. And as you can see, you can just chat it. You can ask anything you want. As you can see, no decision was missed. I just read you in front of you, and you can delete it. You can export it. It will be exported in a MOM. And yeah, that's it for now. Let me just show you Hindi one also so that you guys will get better idea. Let's just write any name. Let's just keep Hindi. Even if you keep Maxwell or Rahul or anything, it will because name has same pronunciation. Now I am just showing like it works. Actually, it works. So let me just clear out. मुझे गणित बहुत पसंद है. मैं 12वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ. मुझे कोडिंग करना अच्छा लगता है. मुझे यूट्यूब वीडियो बनाना भी अच्छा लगता है. मैं प्रतिदिन क्रिकेट खेलने जाता हूँ. मुझे मेरे दोस्तों के साथ खेलने में अच्छा लगता है. मुझे फिजिक्स पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे गणित बहुत पसंद है. मेरा नाम अनिकेश है. राहुल, आपका नाम क्या है? So as you can see, and now if you just ask any question, like let's say likes, and you will get an answer. As you can see, and his favorite subject was like Hindi, so it gives you answer in Hindi also. So you don't have to worry about that. Like you are not speaking English or Hindi, it gives you in Hindi also. But if you want like the answer in English, I can just toggle the some settings, like to some settings, and it will work. And yeah, that's it for now, I guess. And also, if you want like the code, I have already pushed on the GitHub. If you want to change, I would recommend you changing the UI because it is not good, but it is user friendly, I guess. Let me just show you. Yeah, so this is the like GitHub, and you can just fork it, download it, and you can use it as your own project or whatever you want. You can go to hackathon and like you can do anything you want with this code. If you have any problem, like you can just contact me. That's all for it. That's all for now. Let's stop meeting. I'll just export. You can just share. That was the app log which I built, if you remember. Anyway, let's just leave it for now.